Okay, let's make a challenge lock through popular request. This is going to be an Era KIK lock. This is the bitting on the key. Okay, this lock is going to consist of all steel pins. So it is working. All 6 pins will be in it. So set that down. Okay, this is the pins that we're going to have in the lock. They are all steel pins. These are just standard pins. They have not been any modifications made on the pins at all as of yet, but they will. So this is the key pins and the upper pins. So let's get started and see what we can do with this lock. Alright, we're going to make a challenge lock out of this. And to do this, we'll need to make some changes in this plug. So what we're going to do, we're going to find us a little small short pin, steel pin, the smallest one we can find in this box. See what we can find in it. Okay, there's the one that we're going to be looking at. Alright, now to make this a really great challenge lock, we're going to have 1, 2, 5, and 6 that have the short key pins in the lock. So let's drill out 1, 2, 5, and 6. So let's start with this little steel pin. We'll put it in pin number 1. Okay, and let's use this drill bit. We're going to enlarge the holes in the in the plug, the pin chambers. So I usually do this in a vise, but since we're making this video, I have to do it like this. Hold it so I don't stick a drill bit in my hand. Okay, that's number 1 that we have enlarged just a little. So let's dump that little one out and let's put it in number 2. This is to stop the drill bit from going too far in and hitting this ledge where the key pins set. So we've got to watch that anytime we do this. Okay, let's do number 2. See if we can do this a little different. Okay, that's number 2. Knock the key pin out. And let's put it in number 5. So let's hold this. Let's drill number 5. Just like that. Okay, number 6. Okay, let's push it down in. Now let's get number 6. Okay, it don't take much to drill these out. Okay, 1, 2, 5, and 6 has been enlarged slightly. So now we're going to thread all of these. So I'm going to cut the camera off temporarily until I get it threaded. Then we'll turn it back on. Okay, we have all the pin chambers threaded. Don't know if you can see this or not, but okay, anyway, they're all threaded. So now we're going to start to work on the pins. Let's lay the plug to the side. Now let's use this Dremel tool, and we'll start on this number 6 key pin. Let's put it in. We'll tighten this up just a little so the pin doesn't fall out. Okay, let's start off with this file. Okay, that's number 6 key pin. We'll take a close look at the pins in a moment. Okay, on this one, we're going to use a hacksaw blade, just like this. Okay, we're going to make a deep spool out of this one on number 5. Okay, number 6 we're going to leave as is. We're not going to touch number 6. Okay, let's use our file again. Okay, that one is serrated on number 3. Alright, now number 2. Okay, let's use our hacksaw blade on this one. Okay, now let's go to number 1. We're not going to make this lock too drastic. Okay, let's use the hacksaw blade again. Okay, we lost that pin. This is another one. Didn't tighten it down properly. See if this is the right pin. Okay, let's use that pin. And let's try to tighten it down this time the right way so we don't lose it. Okay, let's gotta shorten the pin up just a little. Okay, now let's use a hacksaw blade. Okay, it came out, but we didn't lose it. Okay, there's those pins. Now that's the way I make these pins. I'm going to cut the camera off until I do these others, and then I'll turn it back on and we'll look at them real close. Okay, this is the Era KIK lock that we are modifying, making into a challenge lock. All 6 chambers are threaded on the top. 4 chambers, well, all 6 chambers on the bottom are threaded also. But let's take a close look at the pins. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. This is the spooled key pin, another spooled key pin. The upper pin is a trampoline pin. This is a spool on the bottom and a little bit smaller spool on top. This is a serrated spool. This pin will go in the lock like this, and this one this way, and this one like this. On the last 3, there will be no changes made to this key pin in number 4. This is another serrated pin, serrated key pin, and another serrated key pin. We'll put it in the lock like this, and this one will go in at this angle, and we have a number 6 spooled key pin. Okay, everything is threaded, even though 1, 2, 5, and 6 are threaded way down low at the bottom. They are enlarged, but 3 and 4 are threaded. And like I said before, this is the bitting on the key, so it's going to be a little bit tough to set these 2 pins with this one down so deep. So that'll give a pretty good challenge to someone. Okay, I'm not going to pick and gut this lock on camera. I'm going to keep it, send out to some victim, along with some other locks if they want to trade any. But I'll put this one back together. Okay, thank you very much. Appreciate it. Please stay out of trouble. Please do not do anything illegal.